English easy practice.
Hey, English learners, can I ask you a quick question?
Oh, I like when you start like that.
If I told you,
Just 5 minutes a day could change your English.
would you believe me?
5 minutes, that sounds too easy.
That's what most people think.
But today we are going to show you why.
5 minutes is more powerful than you know.
And we'll show you exactly how to do it step by step.
So stay with us, because by the end of this episode,
You will have a small new habit.
a habit that really works.
This is your podcast for real English.
Daily life, conversations, and easy listening practice.
Yes, we talk like real people.
No boring grammar books here.
Just two friends talking and helping you learn.
Emily, how are you today?
I'm good, a little tired.
I slept late last night.
But I'm happy to be here with you and our listeners.
Same. It always feels nice to sit down and talk.
Hello everyone and welcome back.
Before we start today's episode,
Let me ask you something.
have you ever promised yourself?
That you would study English tomorrow.
Oh, definitely.
And then tomorrow comes and somehow nothing happens.
Exactly. Maybe you're too busy.
Maybe you're too tired.
Or maybe learning English just feels like a huge task.
I think many listeners can relate to that.
Sometimes we want to improve.
But we don't know where to begin.
That's true. Now let me ask another question.
What if improving your English?
Didn't require 1 hour a day.
What if it only required 5 minutes?
5 minutes. Honestly,
That sounds almost too good to be true.
most people think they need long study sessions.
To make progress, and that's one of the biggest mistakes.
People often believe that bigger effort,
Always brings better results.
but in reality, consistency is much more important.
I learned that lesson myself a few months ago.
I wanted to improve my English speaking skills.
I bought study materials. I saved learning videos.
I made detailed plans, but I rarely followed through.
What was stopping you? The goals were simply too big.
Whenever I thought about studying for an hour,
I felt overwhelmed, so I kept postponing it.
one day became another day.
And another day became another week.
That happens to so many people.
So what changed?
I decided to make my goal ridiculously small.
Instead of 1 hour, I committed to only 5 minutes.
Just 5 minutes, no pressure.
No expectations, and did it work?
Surprisingly, yes.
Something interesting happened.
Once I started, I often wanted to continue.
5 minutes became 10, became 15.
Sometimes even longer.
That's because starting is usually the hardest part.
Once you're already moving,
It's much easier to keep going. Exactly.
it's similar to pushing a heavy shopping cart.
At first, it barely moves.
But after the first push, it starts rolling smoothly.
I love that example. Learning English works the same way.
The challenge isn't learning.
The challenge is taking that first step.
And the smaller the step, the easier it becomes.
In today's episode,
We're going to show you why 5 minutes can be
surprisingly powerful. We'll explain how small
daily actions can build real English skills over time
we'll also share some simple habits.
that anyone can start today.
No expensive courses, no complicated methods.
Just practical actions that fit into your daily routine.
So whether you're a beginner
Or someone trying to restart your English journey,
this episode is for you. Grab a cup of coffee.
relax and let's get started. Let's begin.
So why do you think many people quit learning English?
I think they expect fast results.
What happens when results don't come quickly?
They become disappointed and lose motivation.
Have you ever felt that way?
Of course, I wanted to speak fluently in a few weeks.
And did it happen not even close?
So, what did you learn from that experience?
I learned that progress takes time.
Do small improvements really matter?
Absolutely small improvements become big results.
Over time, can 5 minutes really make a difference?
Yes.
Because 5 minutes every day becomes hours every month.
What should someone do during those 5 minutes? Listen.
Speak and learn something new.
Do they need perfect English?
No, they only need consistent practice.
What if they make mistakes?
Making mistakes is part of learning.
Should learners be afraid of speaking?
Not at all. Every good speaker was once a beginner.
What is the biggest mistake learners make?
Waiting for the perfect time to start.
Does the perfect time ever come?
Usually, not so. When should they start today?
Right after this episode, what if they feel embarrassed?
That's completely normal.
How can they overcome that feeling?
By practicing a little every day.
Does confidence come before practice?
No, confidence comes from practice.
What is one simple habit everyone can try?
Speak through English sentences every day,
Even if nobody is listening.
especially if nobody is listening.
Why is speaking out loud important?
Because your mouth needs practice too.
Can listening help speaking?
Definitely, good speakers are usually good listeners.
Should learners understand every word they hear?
No, they should focus on understanding the main idea.
What happens if they keep practicing daily?
English becomes more natural.
Will they notice improvement immediately?
Maybe not, but they will notice it over time.
How long should they continue?
As long as possible. What's the secret to success?
Never stop showing up even on busy days.
Especially on busy days.
What if they only have 2 minutes?
2 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Can small actions change a person's future?
Without a doubt, and can English open new opportunities?
It certainly can.
So, what's today's challenge?
Spend 5 minutes practicing English.
And what should they remember?
Progress is built one day at a time.
That's a great message. Thank you.
Before we go,
Let's leave our listeners with one final thought.
every expert was once a beginner.
Every fluent speaker once struggled with simple words.
Every success story started with a small step.
Your journey can start today.
Don't wait until next week.
Don't wait until next month.
Take action right now. Practice for just 5 minutes.
Come back tomorrow and do it again.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to subscribe.
and follow for more English practice.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Keep learning, keep growing.
Keep believing in yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care and goodbye.